So what's up guys, welcome to my vlog. This is gonna be a short one. I'm coming back towards the garage. I have my part. So I had to wait for a while because it was a back order, so they had to order it from Suzuki. It is an original part. They didn't have that in stock. So they had to order it, and the waiting time for this is like 3 to 5 working days, and then they have to send it as well. So I just got it not long ago, and I'm going to the garage in order for them to change it. I could change it myself, especially since I already saw how it's done. But it's just that I want a warranty with it as well. Some kind of, guarantee. Not warranty, but guarantee that it will work and stuff like that. So that I don't have to worry about this. Because if I do it myself, I don't have a guarantee. And if they do it, I have. At least for a while. But there is something. So I'm going there, I'm going to change the parts. The part rather. And it should work perfectly fine. It's just a sensor, I hope. So fortunately it's not far away. It's just over there. So other than that, the bike works perfectly fine. I did clean the chain last time I was at the garage, so I did clean the chain, and there was so much dirt built up in the area where you cannot see the chain, where the other sprocket is, that I had to spend like 2 hours cleaning the chain alone. That's how much dirt there was. I forgot kind of about it, and I think the previous owner didn't really clean it as well. So that's why, perhaps, I'd say. Okay, so it's here. If you guys want to, you can actually come over here as well. And this is the Zenith motorcycles. Hi there.
Doing it again, isn't it?
It's gonna do it because the sensor is broken.
Yeah.
So I don't have any, I already knew that. I didn't ride it though for the week. I used transport, public transport, so it doesn't matter really to me. Right.
Your coffee, or are you going to leave it with us? Or
No, I'm gonna wait because I want to take it home and then I want to go.
your tea, coffee?
Can I have a tea, please?
No milk, is it? Or milk?
Yeah, no milk with 2 sugars, or 2.5, doesn't matter. The same pretty much. Thanks very much. So what's up guys? Coming back from the mechanic, from the garage, and it was a more serious fault than we thought. It was the throttle body. So the throttle assembly was not working properly, and therefore they had to change that. So it wasn't only the sensor, because they ordered a used part from the internet, which costed £100, and then they... Oh my god, this is proper traffic, man. And then they changed that and everything, and diagnosed it, and in overall for all the parts and labor I paid £450, something like that. So 450 pretty much. 450 for repair. That's quite a lot. If I think about it like that, I could have easily bought a kind of panniers with a rack for that kind of money. But hell, well, what can I do, right? I love my bike. I wouldn't like to see it, not working. And it works properly now. As you can see, no red light, nothing. The revs are normal, are very good. Low revs, very good. They jump a bit, maybe because it's because the engine wasn't turned on for a while. So either way, my bike is back. I'm happy that I have it finally back. It's been out of use for over a week now, and it really was a hard time for me. I not only need my bike for commuting, but I also need my bike as a kind of, I don't know, a stress relief kind of thing, Always helps me with that. And I miss my bike. Now it works perfectly fine. I love it. So everything is done except one thing on this bike, and that is the coolant. I have to change the coolant, and that's pretty much it. I don't have to do anything else for 2 years, I think. Although I will have to change the oil this year still. But other than that, I'm pretty much done with doing anything. Hopefully nothing breaks, Mechanically, it was sound. It was just, they said even in the garage, they said that this is not usual fault. So maybe it was because of I crashed, I crashed. There was some kind of, due to the impact. Something broke over there. So obviously, I can do nothing about that anymore. Well, it's changed, so I'm happy about that as well. And it works perfectly fine. So I'm happy with that as well. Although the price, as I said, it's not their fault that their price is big. It's it was because the parts alone costed me about £200. So they only took like 200 something pounds because first time they tried to repair it, second time they changed the part, and then they tried to diagnose the problem. And then they later on, they said we can try to order the whole assembly and do that. So change it basically. So that's why it's such a big cost. Otherwise, it would be much smaller if they changed it, from the beginning. But hell, anyway, thanks for watching. This is an update on my bike. It works, as you can see, and hopefully stays that way for many years to come. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my videos, my vlogs, do consider subscribing and liking my videos. And you can also visit my Instagram and follow me over there. I do post pictures over there. Now I didn't because I didn't have a bike, but I will be posting pictures over there. And you can also read my novel, which is called Limits. There are over 170 chapters already released, and there's still more to come. So, okay, this whole I knew it. So there's still more to come. The links are below in the description of the video. So if you want to visit any of the links, I'll be grateful. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, fucking holes. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Blast out.